Garcia, your San Diego County real estate agent, and today we will be doing a property tour of 12821 Avenida La Valencia in Poway, California. This house has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and is a little under 3,000 square feet. So I hope you like it. Stay till the end to get more details on the home and what you need to do to make a move on this house. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. And if it's your first time, like I said, my name is Prizma Garcia, and I service all of San Diego County, helping families just like yourself buy, sell, invest, and relocate. Like I mentioned before, we're going to be doing a property tour of 12821 Avenida La Valencia in Poway, California. I hope you guys like it. We'll check it out, but don't forget to stay till the end so that you know what to do if you're interested in this home. Let's go take a look. for sticking around for that tour. I hope you liked it as much as I did. And if you haven't already, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you liked this house and thought that it would be perfect for your family, please reach out to me. I'm going to put my contact information here. Or you can also text Valencia 12 to the phone number here. And what that will do is send you updated information on the house through text. So I know I told you that there are other details to this home that I just can't show you in video, but well, I guess you could kind of see it. The container home in the back, that is a one bed, one bath container home. So that's going to be an extra space for you and your family to enjoy. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys again so much for sticking around.